This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So, to begin with, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, enter the Network and Internet category. In here, go for the Mobile Network section, choose what particular SIM cards you would like to check the cellular data usage for, and at the SIM card respective page, just enter the App Data Usage section. And over here, you'll be able to see the general amount of mobile data used, as well as what exactly and to which extent we're using the cellular data, or which app, service, or system perhaps. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.